Hey everyone! Today's February 17, 2023. Heading to the river for a quick fishing trip. Just for a couple of hours. It's almost 4 p.m. already. Busy day today. Had some errands. So here I am. For just a short while. Weather's decent. Around 6 to 7 degrees below zero. Cloudy with light snow. Not fully overcast, partly cloudy. We've had quite a bit of snow lately. Now using a sled instead of my bike. Checking out a new spot today. Where I passed by last time. Caught a couple there before. Exploring it more thoroughly now. Enjoy the video. Hope you find it interesting. Made it to the spot. It's past 4 p.m. now. 2 hours left till dark. Drilling holes and getting started. Shallow water here. Let's see what's living in these shallows. Planning to fish with worms. Wanted to toss some bait. With chum. But forgot the feeder. Searched the whole bag. No feeder. No luck. Only got some bait, but no point tossing it here. The current's too strong. Would wash it away. Even a bit deeper. Started drilling a hole. A little further from shore. Too much current there. Can't reach the bottom. Had to move closer to shore. Here, at least it reaches. Still have to adjust. Sometimes let out the line. To make sure it hits the bottom. Even though it's shallow here. Less than a meter deep. Maybe 30 to 40 centimeters in this area. In some spots, about 30 to 40 centimeters, roughly. Deeper where the current picks up. Where it's shallower, it's full on shallow. Gotta try there too. Sometimes even shallow spots work. You never know when something might bite. Could get lucky. Can't believe I forgot the feeder. With the chum. Wanted to fish here. This spot. Possibly good for roach. Oh well. What can you do? Fish should be here. Last time I caught a couple despite spending little time. Decided to explore it better today. Already got one. Small ones, but still. Today, I'm checking this spot thoroughly, more carefully. Investigating properly. Ah, here we go, a fish. Got one. A small roach. Average size. Not big, but decent. All things considered. Good enough. Nice. Pretty solid catch. Considering the usual. Usually tiny ones. A start is always nice. Should fill in that far hole, it's useless. Can't reach the bottom with the jig. Better focus elsewhere. Spot's not working. Another bite. Nice. There's more fish here. Wow, Look at this dace. Check it out, guys. Big dace. What a beauty. Much bigger than the roach. Awesome. I like this kind of fishing. Even though I came late. Already got 2. If I catch 6 or 7 today, then next time, I'll come earlier. Explore this place more thoroughly. Next time, I'll come early to check both sides. Scout the area better. Today's just a quick recon mission. That's it. Didn't have time for detailed scouting. Next time. Today, not enough time to explore fully. Need to investigate closer to shore. Try different spots next time. Bring feed next time. Try with a feeder. Right. Got another small bite. Tiny one. Means there's fish here. Definitely. Another average one. Medium-sized fish. Using a teardrop jig. Silver, 1 gram. Like this one. Oh, another good one. Dang, it got away. Something good was there. Got stuck on the edge of the hole while I was pulling. Tried to get it out, but it escaped. Oh well, what can you do? Keep trying for another one. Some wind picked up. Not great, not strong, but unpleasant. Cold wind. Got a bite. Nice. What is it this time? Another decent roach. Good. Oh, another one. Just cast. Look at this nice roach. This is awesome. All from one hole so far. How cool is that? I'm glad I came here today. Good start. Still using just one worm. Turns out there's evening activity today. Oh! Look at that! Another one! Amazing! Another roach. Perfect. Catch is growing. One by one. Bite. Guys. Trying again. Fish are biting. Another small bite. Small roach, cat food. Cats gotta eat too. What can you do? Gotta take it. Cats will be happy. They'll love it. Another bite. Something decent. First chub of the day. Looks like a mixed catch today. Should release it, though. Back into the water somewhere near here. Covered hole nearby. Found it. Swim free. Still biting. Nope. Missed that one. Couldn't hook it. There. Small roach. Fell right back into the hole. Was gonna take it for the cat. Lucky escape for it. Current's pretty fast here. Have to let out the line often. Constant adjustments. Bite. Dace. Dace biting too sometimes. Not just roach. Good sign. Dace waking up slowly. Almost no dace all winter. Rarely saw any. Maybe today. 3 dace in one trip today. 1 got away, 2 caught. Not bad. Something decent. Another dace. Great evening bite today. Perfect day. Adjusting the line. Reeling in. Yeah. Roach again. Mainly roach and dace today. 2 species. Caught 1 small chub too. Had to release it. Too small. Great bite today. Another bite. Nice fish. Roach. Hooked well. Snow starting. Sun setting. Trying another hole. Quiet here now. Maybe something bites. Found the bottom. Now waiting for a bite. Got one. Small stuff. Not the right spot. Not the fish we're after. What we need is different. Never caught anything like that there. In that hole. Weeds. Why'd I have all these weeds? I need fish. All sorts of junk attached. Nonsense. Let's see if anything bites in this one. Oh. There's fish here. Dace. Great. Worms are working today. Everything's on worms. Maybe something else will bite here. Let's check.
Посмотрим.
A bite. Dang, it got away. But there's still bait. Yeah, a little bait left. Anyway. Next time, I'll come back here earlier. Much earlier. Try fishing again. Though, of course. You never know. We'll see what happens next time at this spot. Meanwhile, the snow picked up, and it's starting to get dark. Time to wrap things up soon. Wish I could catch just one more. Not sure. It's quiet now. The bite has stopped. Fishing's done. Something stopped biting as it got darker. Still, not bad. Had a good day. 2 hours, solid. Nice. Now I'll show the catch, then head home. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you all soon. Take care. Here's the catch. Already covered in snow, 3 fish. And there's more. If you dig around, it's decent. Do some digging. Turns out a pretty good haul.